believe in something different when it comes to content creation and social media management. Here's what I stand for: heart-led strategy over algorithm hacks. Yes, we understand the algorithms, but more importantly, we understand people. Your strategy should feel authentic to you, not like you're performing for an invisible audience. Storytelling over selling. The brands that win aren't the ones shouting, "Buy my thing," the loudest. They're the ones making you feel something. Your story is your strongest marketing tool. Let's use it. Making women entrepreneurs feel seen. You're juggling a million things. You're building a business while living a full life. You're multi-passionate, and that's not a weakness. It's your superpower. I see you, and I'm here to help you show up authentically online. I don't want to help you go viral. I want to help you build a community of people who genuinely connects with your audience and can't wait to work with you. My approach isn't about quick wins or growth hacks. It's about creating content that feels true to who you are, building relationships, not just follower counts, sustainable strategies that don't burn you out, celebrating the human behind the business. If that resonates with you, if you're tired of playing the comparison game and ready to show up as your full authentic self, you're exactly who I'm here for. Let's build something beautiful together, one authentic post at a time. Follow along if you believe social media can be genuine, strategic, and feel good.